Hi guys, welcome to A Godly Home. As part of the Best Spice Blend collaboration, I wanted to talk to you about the Everything But a Bagel seasoning. My friend Marissa at What Isn't Art did the Everything But the Bagel seasoning for my collaboration. And because she is such a great friend, she did up 2 little bottles for me. And she told me 1 bottle was to use as is, and 1 bottle was to use adding an additional spice. So I asked her, what should I add for an additional spice? I don't even know where to get started. And she's very good with spice blends. And she said dill would be a good one to add. So what I have here is a plain bagel. I bought plain because everybody likes plain and not everybody likes the ones that are like loaded with the different stuff on them. And so what I'm going to do to make sure I like that blend is I'm going to put some of her seasoning right on my bagel. And then I'm going to add a little of the dill to my bagel. And then I will let you guys know if I think you should do half of her recipe plain and half of it with dill if you make it. Okay, here we go. And I've had one with just the regular seasoning. That dill is so good with that combination, I'm going to add extra. So yes, if you make that, divide the recipe up and do half with dill and half without, and then that will give you 2 different types of seasoning. That's very, very good, Marissa. Okay, if you want to join this collaboration, go ahead and make a video and let me know when you post it so I can get it up on the playlist. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.